Welcome to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways.
Earlybird's type in Earlybird for our 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time Earlybird spinner wheel, where 3 lucky first spinners will win Stickman Outdoor Adventure and Sticky's Friday Random Giveaway channel stickers, and they get a spin on Sticky's prize wheel for a great prize gift.
Duck races start at full stream opening at 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let's go quack quack.
Sticky's has 3 4-minute duck races. We have a 7-minute race and 2 ending end of stream EOS1 for coin and around a 2 minutes 22 seconds race to honoring them, and our Sticky's end of stream EOSA 3 minutes 33 seconds race. We have 2 intermission bin, no bin or take a spin, where we give you all the vowels and you have to guess the word. We have our Wheel of Doom, the last on standing, where you can win a great prize gift if you are the winner of the Doom.
Prizes added weekly, many great prizes to be won. We hope you are the winner of a great prize.
First and last place duck racers are added every weekend to the Race of Chance and end of the year race for bigger and better prizes. We will be racing in heats, and the winners, up to 5 racers in each heat, will be racing for the end of your final Race of Chance. Good luck.
Happy fall.
Earlybird's type Earlybird.
Welcome. It's time for Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. We start off with our Earlybird giveaway. Then we do our 4-minute duck races, and well in between our bin no bin or take a spin. Then we do our intermission Wheel of Doom. And then a few more duck races and another bin no bin or spin. We finish off with our 7-minute duck race and then do a end of stream race 222 seconds duck race for coin and around. And then Sticky's a 333 seconds. End of stream duck race. And last but not least, we do Gramsby Claw Grabber giveaway for a Gramsby created jewelry piece. We hope you enjoy Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Let's go quack quack.
Earlybird's type in Earlybird.
Welcome to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Earlybird's type in Earlybird. Sticky's stream start time is as follows: 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 7 to 7:30 p.m. Central Time, and 8 to 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And in Canada, 8 to 10 p.m. It depends where you are at in Canada. Earlybird winner will be pulled at 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Duck races start at 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And in your area where your time is equal.
It's time for Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Let's go quack quack.
Welcome to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Brought to you by Stickman Outdoor Adventures. Earlybird's type Earlybird.
Sticky's is so much fun.
We want to welcome you to the show.
I am so glad I found Sticky's best time I have had in
Stream opening starting time 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Duck races starting time 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and full stream opening time. We have the bin / no bin or spin. We have the Wheel of Doom for last man standing. Friends, chat, fun, and games all stream long. New prizes every week. We have prizes weekly.
Always so much fun at Sticky's.
The fun never stops at Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Lots of nice prizes to be won.
I really enjoyed the duck races. It was easy to win a nice prize. Thank you.
Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Hit the notification bell as to be notified when Sticky's post next. Nothing but love and a little peace.
I will return. I hope you do.
Welcome new friends and welcome back friends and family.
I enjoyed the bin, no bin, or spin. Thank you.
We thank you for your support.
Who's ready for duck race?
What time is it? It's time for the duck race. Let's go. Quack, quack. Quack. Happy Friday, friends and family. We hope you have a safe and happy time till we see you all again. This is a family-friendly channel. Please no politics or religion. Thank you. Please no bad language. Keep it family-friendly. Thank you. Lots of love from your friends here at Sticky's. Truly yours, Jerry, Robin, and Grams Beach.
I don't know where I'm going, but I know one thing for sure, yeah. I
See you soon.
so much more. I could be a fighter. With your back against that wall, and you're
Stickies
walking on a
2024.
wire. Oh, headed towards that ball, I'll be throwing on a fire. No prayer, no way down, baby, let me be a fighter. By your side, I'm going out.
Thank you from Sticky's Friday Random Giveaway. Welcome to Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways. Brought to you by Stickman Outdoor Adventures. Starting at 5 to 5:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Early Birds type in Early Bird. Early Bird drawing at 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Been living like a runaway, searching for someone who wouldn't turn the other way.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the thumbs up button. Puppies Roxy and Daisy and Kitty Henry say let's go.
Sticky's Friday Random Giveaways brought to you from Stickman Outdoor Adventures 2024.
Boom.
Please keep watching to the very end. Thank you.
Darn it, I can't record.
Sorry, but the number you have dialed is in an alternate dimension. Please hang up and rotate your phone 180 degrees, flip it around, and try again 15 minutes ago from last Tuesday.
Hope see you Friday at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Early Bird Spinner will 5:15 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.
Thank you, Sticky.